Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's writing this in paragraph text. And I very seldom ever use paragraph text, but I'm going to try this. I'm going to put an indexing line right there. I'm going to select all these with my shape tool, and I'm going to nudge them down to that line. That way, all your lines are, the H is really, to me, almost too big. The other way you could do it, because I very seldom write in, let me go all the way back. The other way I normally would do this would grab it and go up to text and convert to paragraph, or to convert to artistic text. Now see, it changed that H. So what we can do now with the shape tool is grab that node right there of the H, and let's make it 25 points. Now, looking at this, it looks like there's more space there. So what you could do a lot with measurements, but let's go to, I've selected, let's go to object and break the text apart. Your nudge factor set pretty little. Let's grab this line and just kind of eyeball it. Now you could either eyeball it, or you could put in indexing lines and space them out. But I think that looks pretty good. So there's two ways to do that. And I'm hoping that's what he was wanting. And thank you for watching.